What's up guys, Logan here. I'm going to be doing a quick little introductory clip for this video before we get into the trip. This is going to be recorded as like a solo overnight trip into the wilderness. My girlfriend's actually coming with me and I'm going to be proposing to her. I just wanted to give this as an intro clip, that way you guys kind of know what's going on. The regular video is going to continue after this, and I tucked the ring down into my iPack pouch, so you guys will get to see that later. And I'm going to post this gear loadout video up before the trip video goes live. I just wanted to give you guys an update onto what was happening in the video, but let's go ahead and get into it. It is insanely beautiful out here. What's up guys? So now I'm moving out towards where I'm going to be camping currently on the cliffs. Foliage is pretty much at peak. Those first clips, pretty sweet. And it was incredible up there on those tundras. Right now I'm just working my way. Came down elevation, just a couple hundred feet, around 4,000 some elevation. And I'm going to be making my way out to the cliffs. Like I said, I'm going to be camping there overnight, doing some cooking. I'm just relaxing. I usually don't relax as much when I do these kind of trips, but that's the purpose and goal behind this one. So yeah guys, I will keep you updated. I forgot to mention I got my dog Monty with me. He's right here sunbathing right now. He's doing really good. He enjoyed it this morning. The truck ride here was a little bit rough. It's normally a 2.5 to 3 hour drive. It was shorter this morning, but right now he's just basking in the sun. Something cool about these higher elevations is like even the insects have become more adapted and like they've just adjusted to the climate up here, because it's pretty cold out. With wind chill, it's definitely in the low 40s. This morning it was definitely the upper 30s with wind chill, but it's a yellow jacket just crawling on the rocks, probably trying to warm up. Guys, so I found a good campsite. It's very open and it's flat, and there's actually existing fire rings here. Even a fire ring here with a grate on it. And then this one here that's now soaked out. Hopefully the sun dries out a lot of the wood around here today. I'm going to collect firewood, lay it in the sun, and let it dry out. See about getting a fire going later. I do have a propane stove with me if I'm unable to, but should be good because there's a lot of dry bark and everything around here as well. So yeah, I'm going to relax for a little bit, and I'll update you guys later. And I brought him some of his treats, some kebabs, and then some little mini ghosts. Right now I'm gonna give him a kebab. Good boy. Have 3 sun-dried tomato, basil, tuna sandwiches. Well, not even sandwiches, which is basically single slices of bread. It's garlic and herb bread. I was going to make them into sandwiches, but decided I'd just put them on a single piece. But I'm going to smack these down now and then start working on my fire. Got a decent fire going. Like I said, the area's been in a drought for a while, but due to the hurricane, we received a decent bit of rain. As you can see, the ground is pretty damp and most of the wood out here is damp. I didn't bring any firewood myself, so I've been letting the stuff that I've been breaking up dry out in the sun. And I actually have a decent ember bed at the bottom going, and this stuff's all drying out and starting to burn. So I should be able to have this fire going for pretty much as long as I want, because all the way around me is dead wood everywhere and dry leaves. So just keep it burning. What's up, guys? I'm about to enjoy the Celsius. I got everything set up in the tent. Got my stuff up there, and then you guys can see the camp. Everything's inside here. I have my pack. My shoes right now are sitting on the outside. I'm gonna put them under the rain fly, but this is the view. So I got some chicken and dumplings going, and I'm gonna have this with some more of that garlic and herb bread from earlier. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. It's starting to get a little bit cold, and this is just gonna hit the spot. Forgot my silverware. That's good. And then, as you know, these things are great. They're just freeze-dried ice cream sandwiches. I'm gonna smack one of these down again, and then probably head back to the cliffs. There's the state of camp. Fire's put out for now until we come back. Bear bags hanging. Tent's all locked up or zipped up to look like I'm sleeping in there. But yeah, guys, let's get to the cliffs. Come look at this.
I'm not going up.
Just come right here. Bianca Nicole Stemple. Will you marry me? And now, before I'm gonna relax and enjoy the fire for a bit, and we're gonna be having pumpkin spice streusel muffins. We wrapped them in foil, and it actually held shape pretty decently. But we are going to enjoy these and enjoy the heat from the fire, and then we're gonna be heading out of here, guys. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here. We got the movement back to the vehicle. Just giving you guys one last good look at this view. And I'm gonna go ahead and get on the trail so we can get back to the truck and get home. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll keep you guys updated on the next one. What's up, guys? So we got back from the cliffs. I wanted to do a little, just an extra add-on clip at the end, kind of a tease for what Doc and I's next trip could look like, and what definite future trips are going to look like. This is a wilderness area that's connected to the end of the Dolly Sods, but I've done a lot of exploring in the Dolly Sods, as you guys know. This is a Roaring Plains entrance to the Roaring Plains wilderness. It's a separate wilderness. It has higher elevations and a lot less maintained and less marked trails. So in the future, most likely Doc and I's next video, it'll be either up at the top of the preserve up here, or it'll end up out here on Flat Rocks. But regardless, I'm definitely going to start coming out and exploring the Roaring Plains myself, because I've never been out there. But yeah, guys, I appreciate it. All right, guys, back home now, showered, clean. I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel out. About to smack down this Red Rush Ollie Pop and go get the truck cleaned up. So yeah, guys, I appreciate everything. And one more thing I wanted to say, at the end of this video, I'm going to post some of those. I took some long exposure photos from the edge of the cliff. The stars looked insane. I woke up at around 5 a.m. and decided to head out to the cliffs alone. I let her sleep because it was pretty cold out and she was really warm. So I went out there on the cliff and took like 5 or 6 long exposure photos, but they turned out great. And I wanted to show you guys those. So that'll be the last part of the video. I appreciate everything, guys. Thank you.